Kicking my bin wants to do something for y'all tonight. Hello. Him wants to string y'all song with his Trump hat on. Hello. Let's see if I can raise this thing up a little bit. Let's see if I can get y'all on here. I gotta. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. I was drunk the day my mama got out of prison. I went to pick her up in the rain. Before I could get there in my pick-em-up truck, she got run over by a damned old train. So, I'm going to leave you with that. This is Kicking My Bin with his Trump hat. So, until the next time, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and tap that notification bell when I decide to sling another one out of my red mega hat. You be sure to get it. So until the next time, later, Gator.